Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Sailing Doodles channel analytics. They have uploaded 454 videos. They now have 373k subscribers with a total view of 161,266,956 views. They are from US. And their channel type is travel. They created their channel since October 4, 2016. The grade they got is B+. They ranked at 15,216th in US and 518th in travel. Next, the daily subs for Sailing Doodles is around 234 with a daily view of 170,679. Now let's talk about how much money they are making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 170,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $680. Then, monthly income will be $20,400. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $11,220 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $134,640. That is how much Sailing Doodles makes from YouTube.